if you're going to go to any session on generative AI, something someone will almost always say is how generative AI can be used to differentiate instruction, which is true. As an example, they'll say how you can take large blocks of text and have it rewritten at a learner's reading level so that you can provide similar content to different learners to match their reading abilities. And that is all very true. It's also something that in the world of assistive technology, we've been doing for a very long time, and we've known for a very long time. These tools have existed. But what we've learned is that it's not either read this or read this. It's not an or, it's an and. Let me explain. When you take a large block of text and you put it at a different reading level, the way the technology does that is it might shrink the sentence complexity. It might change some of the words to use a different synonym. And that is a great approach for inviting somebody to practice their decoding skills and practice their reading fluency skills. However, when you do that, you also change some of the vocabulary that people are being exposed to, change some of the sentence complexity that they're being exposed to, and potentially losing just a hair of content that might otherwise help someone gain more background knowledge. So the reason I say it's an and is that you invite learners to read and decode with their eyes, and then they can also go back and, assuming they have the ability to hear, they can listen to the longer, more complex, the original text. This way, they get the best of both worlds. Another way to use generative AI to support literacy skills is to mesh it with the research that we know about self-selecting text. So imagine using the generative AI to create some sort of interest survey where you invite learners to share what they're interested in, what they're passionate about, what they want to do, what problems they want to solve, how they want to change the world, whatever they're interested in. And then taking that content, putting it into generative AI and inviting it to create different content, then give that back to the learners to practice reading based on their interest level, right? Reading with their eyes and reading with their ears. In that way, we've got the best of all worlds where we've got all of the strategies working together with support of generative AI to create an awesome experience around learning how to read.